morning, the students. Welcome you all. Today we will start the chapter Parts of Speech Review. There are 8 word classes or parts of speech in English. They are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjective, adverbs, preposition, conjunctions and interjections. Here we are going to include one term also. There is also another word called determiners. Understand? So let's start with noun. A noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. So person name is here. Suppose that we are adding here person name Mohan, Sohan, Mahatma Gandhi. This is the name of the person. Afterward we are coming animal. Suppose that the name of any dog Tommy. Understand? Place Delhi, Mumbai, Agra. Person, place, animal or thing. Suppose that I am talking about Usha fan. Usha is the name of the proper thing. So here it is a noun. We have known about the noun. Second one is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Personal pronoun I, we, he, she, it, they, them. Afterward you know that reflexive pronoun himself, herself, yourself, themselves. Possessive pronoun mine, ours, herself, yourselves, ourselves. Understand? These are known as what? Pronoun. Which type of pronoun? Possessive pronoun. Understand? Demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those. This is, suppose that I am writing here, this is my pen. So here this word is this, that, these, those are known as demonstrative pronoun. And afterward you are getting the verb. Next one we are coming verb. What do you mean by the term? Verb says what somebody or something does. What happens? Suppose that rain, play, laugh. Understand? So in this way we use this term. Afterward we are coming, you also include here in verb helping verb. Suppose that helping verbs which will be included with main verb is, am, are, was, were, will, shall. Understand? These are known as helping verbs. And main verbs acts as a does main function in the sentence. So here you will get the main sentence. Suppose that I am writing a sentence, he plays a cricket. Suppose that I am telling he plays a cricket. So here plays is a main verb. So you know that when action is performed, it is known as a what? Main verb. Action is what action is done, you will know about it by the main verb. Adjective. So you have to know that adjective is a word that are used, that is that adjectives are the word that are used to describe about noun or pronoun. Suppose that he is a clever boy, he is a tall boy, he is a big boy, he is an ugly boy. So these terms are used here as an adjective. Adjective of quality, quantity, demonstrative adjective. This pen is mine. After, suppose that one thing you have to keep in the mind. Suppose that I am writing here this pen. This is demonstrative adjective, pen is noun. After adjective, noun will come. And here you are getting, after this word you are getting verb. So this is demonstrative pronoun. This is the difference. From each adjective, after each adjective you will get what? Noun. Determiner. Afterward we are coming to the next term, and that term is determiner. Determiner is a word which comes before a noun and limits the meaning of a noun or shows which person or things having, this things is being referred. Determiners include, suppose that determiners, indeterminers we will also include articles a and the, a pen, the pen. Understand? And afterward we are coming here these, that, these, those. These are known as determiners. So determiners, mostly determiners will be adjective and articles, because adjectives always come before noun. Afterward we are coming the next one, adverb. An adverb is a word that mainly describes or gives more information about verb, adverb and adjective. Suppose that I am writing here, he writes clearly. So here write is verb and clearly is adverb. It tells about the verb, and he writes, suppose that I am writing very word here. So here you are getting the word very is describing the word clearly, describing the adverb clearly, very clearly. So he writes very clearly. So you know that very is known as here what? Adverb. Very is known as a adverb. So here modifying adverb. So what is the work of adverb? Adverbs modifies verb, adverb and adjectives. Understand? Suppose that I am writing, he is a come on, the next one is a very, suppose that I am telling you that it is a very good boy, I am writing, he is a very good boy. So very word is here describing adjective good. Suppose that I am writing very good. So very will describe about the adjective good. The work of adverb is to modify verb, adverb and adjective. Next one is preposition. Preposition is word like on, in, understand, and on, in, at, with, are, when, because and though, it, what are I am telling now here. Dear students, we are coming the next topic, preposition. Preposition is a word like on, in, at, under, from, to, and preposition are word that is used before noun or pronoun to tell about position, place, situation. Suppose that I am writing on table in school, tells place, on table, the book is on the table, tells about the position, he is at post office, place. So in this way we will use preposition to tell about position, place and time. Conjunction, the next term is conjunction. Conjunction is a word, conjunction is a joining word such as and, but, it or when, because, though. It joins groups or groups of a word. So conjunctions are the words that are used to join groups or groups of a words. Understand? Suppose that I am telling you he is very good boy, but he does not complete his work. We are including two sentences. He is good and wise. We are including two words, good and wise, of same nature. For the same nature we will use and for the different nature we will use but. So we will discuss it in the further classes, but here is a review, so we will only know about it in short. Interjection. An interjection is a word spoken suddenly to express a strong feeling, hooray, hello, bravo, ah, goes, ouch, sa, wow. So sudden feeling of hurt. We express our sudden feeling of hurt by using these terms. Hooray, we have won the match. Understand? Bravo, you have done well. So in this way we use these terms in various. So I hope that you have understood all these clearly. Noun is used in place of person, place. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. You have to know that. Pronoun is used in place of noun. Verb denotes action. Adjective used in adjectives are used to modify noun and pronoun, good, bad, understand, fast, so many more. Determiner will be used before noun to determine the meaning. So mostly we use articles and adjectives in determiner. Adverb will modify verb, adverb and adjective. Preposition will tell about place, position, understand. Conjunction is a word that is used to join sentences. Interjection, sudden filling of the heart, will be represented by interjection. Some word of the interjections are given here in the chapter. So I hope that you have understood all this. Thanks for watching the video.